How does a simple sheet become India's money? India's banknotes are produced across 4 specialized currency presses. Nashik's currency note press dates back to 1928. Devas operates another major government currency printing facility. 4 presses spread across India work within one currency system. But printing money begins with specialized paper. Carefully prepared fibers are mixed into a uniform suspension. Water drains away, leaving a continuous wet paper sheet. The watermark is formed directly into the paper. A security thread is embedded within the developing paper. Embedded within.
Controlled drying transforms the wet web into stable paper.
Precision calendaring refines the paper's surface and thickness. Precision inspection verifies every section of the finished paper web. The verified web is precisely cut into sheets. Once counted and batched, the verified security paper sheets are transferred with precise, controlled handling. Specialized features are precisely integrated into each sheet. Every processed sheet undergoes another verification. Completed batches move under controlled, secure handling. Controlled conditioning stabilizes the paper before final processing. Precision cutting prepares each sheet to exact dimensions. Precision registration aligns every sheet for controlled processing. Precisely registered sheets receive controlled security features. Controlled conditioning stabilizes each verified security sheet. Stabilized sheets are precisely counted and stacked. Precision handling transfers each verified stack without disturbing alignment. Final preparation protects the verified stack before secure packaging.
Secure packaging protects the finished paper during controlled handling.
Sealed packages move through controlled internal logistics.
Finished security paper remains protected under controlled storage conditions.
Authorized retrieval prepares sealed packages for secure dispatch. Final verification confirms the package before secure release. Verified packages are transferred into secure, controlled transport. The secured material now leaves under controlled transport. Controlled logistics keeps the finished material secure in transit. Controlled receiving verifies every shipment before secure unloading. Received material moves directly into controlled, secure storage. Stored material is released only after controlled verification. The protected sheets are carefully prepared for processing. Precision feeders separate each sheet for controlled processing. Each sheet is precisely registered before further processing. The registered sheets receive precise surface conditioning. The conditioned sheet is positioned for precise security printing. Intaglio printing creates raised security detail on each sheet. Every raised security detail is checked for precision. Specialized inks add controlled optical security features. Multiple viewing angles verify the optical security feature. Each sheet receives a precisely controlled identification mark.